Welcome to this week's nutrition module, Mastering the Food Label. In our last nutrition module, you learned about how to use healthful nutrition to enhance your workouts, a powerful tool for healthy weight loss and management. This presentation will cover the basics of nutrition facts and how to interpret information on food labels. All of the information covered here is available on the accompanying handout for your reference. Feel free to check with your health educators for clarification or with any questions you may have. Let's get started. Don't forget the 4 components to healthy weight loss and management: nutrition, fitness, behavior, and support. Mastering the food label falls under nutritional education, since you will learn quite a lot about the nutritional content of the foods you buy simply by examining its label. Food labels give you important information about a product, such as the manufacturer or distributor, amount and serving size, ingredients, and nutritional information, which we will discuss shortly. All of this information will help you make healthy choices about the foods you eat. Let's take a closer look at the nutrition facts. The first information listed is usually the serving size. A serving size is based on a typical portion the average person might eat. This influences the number of calories and the amount of nutrients provided. Remember, the nutritional information on the food label is only for one serving. The next item on the food label is calories. Calories provide a measure of how much energy you get from one serving of this food. Many Americans consume more calories than they need, which leads to weight gain and obesity. Reading the calorie section of the label can help you manage your weight by keeping track of how many calories you are consuming. Don't forget, eating 2 servings means doubling the calories listed on the food label. Pay particular attention to fat, cholesterol, and sodium, the highlighted nutrients in yellow. These nutrients are ones that you should limit, as they have shown to increase risk of heart disease, cancer, and high blood pressure. Most Americans don't get enough dietary fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, or iron in their diets. However, these nutrients, which we have highlighted in blue, have important health benefits and may help reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases and illnesses. The percent daily value is a guideline of how much the listed nutrients contribute to the recommended amount based on a 2,000 calorie diet. A percent daily value of 5% or less means the food is low in that nutrient. 20% or more means it is high in that nutrient. The percent daily value is a useful tool in comparing the nutritional value of 2 different food products. If you want to know more about the recommended intake for certain nutrients, check out the footnote. It is the same for all products, although it is not always included. It reminds you that the percent daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. Foods with more than one ingredient must have an ingredient list on the label. Ingredients are listed in descending order by weight, so those in the largest amounts are listed first. In the label below, water is the top ingredient, followed by sugar and corn syrup. Now that you've learned how to interpret a food label, let's test your knowledge. Every packaged food item has a nutrition fact label. This is true. It is required by law to have a nutrition facts label on every packaged food item. The calories on the nutrition facts label represent the calories of the whole package of food. This is false. The calories listed are for one serving only. If you consume more than one serving, remember to multiply the label by the number of servings. Items on the ingredients list are listed in order by weight. This is true. The daily values, or DV, represent the amount of what all Americans should be eating. This is false. The percent daily value is based off of a 2,000 calorie a day diet. Having a high percent daily value is a good thing. This is false, but it's really a trick question. This depends on the nutrient. A high percent daily value can be good or bad. You need to look at which nutrient it is representing and determine whether to limit or get more of that nutrient. There are 500 calories in 3 slices of this food. This is false, and here's why. Really, there are 315 calories, since there are only 105 calories per slice. Remember that serving size can be misleading. Don't forget the cues to success that we discussed earlier, and be sure to refer to the handout for this module for the information we covered today. And don't forget, our health educators are here to help you too. This presentation discussed how to interpret the information provided on the nutrition labels of foods. Taking the time to read and understand food labels allows you to compare the nutritional value of similar products and make healthy food choices. Remember to pay attention to the serving size, especially how many servings are in the food package and how many servings you are consuming. Check the percent daily value per serving and pay special attention to the amount of saturated fat, trans fat, and cholesterol per serving. You want to keep these as low as possible as part of a nutritionally balanced diet. In our next nutrition module, you will learn about the role of proper hydration in a healthy lifestyle. Here's to your health!